Hi, today we will discuss some problems on compound interest. First problem, a sum of 4,000 deposited at compound interest becomes double after 4 years. After 12 years, it will become. So there are four options: 32,000, 34,000, 40,000, and 48,000. We can solve this problem using two methods. One is a traditional method and other is a shortcut. First, we can follow the traditional method. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 the whole raised to n is the general equation for compound interest, where a is the amount, p is the principal, r is the rate, and n is the number of years. In our question, it is given that a sum of, that is a principal, 4,000 rupees becomes 8,000 rupees in 4 years. Therefore, our amount is equal to 8,000 rupees. Our principal is equal to 4,000 rupees into 1 plus rate. We don't know the value of rate. R by 100, the whole raised to 4. Or we can write 2 is equal to 4,000 and 8,000 get cancelled. 2 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 the whole raised to 4. Next, we have to find out the amount after 12 years. That is, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus rate by 100 the whole raised to 12, where principal is equal to 4,000 itself. 1 plus r by 100. The whole raised to 12 can be rewritten as 1 plus r by 100 the whole raised to 4, the whole raised to 3. That is, a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. But we know the value of 1 plus r by 100 the whole raised to 4 as 2. That is 4,000 into 2 cube. That is, we know the value of 1 plus r by 100 the whole raised to 4 as 3 from the above equation. From here, that is 4,000 into 2 cube is equal to 4,000 into 8 is equal to 32,000. So you will get the answer as 32,000 using this traditional method. We are preparing for SSC examination, and time management is very important in this examination. So shortcut methods is necessary. So we can solve the same problem using shortcut methods. It is given that the principal 4,000 rupees amounted to 8,000 rupees, because it is given that principal 4,000 rupees becomes double after 4 years. That is, 4,000 becomes 8,000 in 4 years. Or we can take the ratio of principal to amount as 1:2 in 4 years. Our question is, what will be the amount after 12 years? After 12 years, that is 4,000 becomes what amount after 12 years? We know 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So we can take the ratio of principal to amount after 12 years as 1 cube is to 2 cube, because the principal becomes amount in 4 years and the same principal becomes what amount in 12 years is our question. That is 4 years into 3 years is equal to 12 years, and we can take this 3, that is 1 cube is to 2 cube. Big is the ratio of principal is to amount after 12 years. That is 1:8. But the value of principal will not change. that always be remain as 4000. That is 1 ratio is equal to 4000. Therefore, 8 ratio is equal to 8 into 4000. 1 ratio is equal to 4000. Therefore, 8 ratio is the amount after 12 years. Therefore, 8 ratio is equal to 8 into 4000 is equal to 12,000. Sorry, 32,000. 32,000. So you will get the answer in a simple step. Or we can again think about the same question. We can easily imagine, that is 4000 become 8000 in 4 years. Ratio 1 is to 2. Principal is to amount ratio after 12 years. That is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Therefore, ratio principal is to amount after 12 years is equal to 1 cube is to 2 cube. That is equal to 1 is to 8. 1 is to 8. Since the principal always remains constant, 1 ratio is equal to 4000. Therefore, 8 ratio is equal to 8 into 4000 is equal to 32,000. So your answer is equal to 32,000. So this is our second question. A sum of 12,000 deposited at compound interest becomes double after 5 years. After 20 years, it will become. So we have 4 options. So we can do this problem using our shortcut method directly. 12,000 becomes double after 5 years. Therefore, 12,000 becomes 24,000 in 5 years. Means the ratio of principal is to amount in 5 years is equal to 1 is to 2. So our question is, after 20 years, that is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So in 20 years, with our shortcut, we can directly find out the ratio of principal is to amount after 20 years is equal to 1 raised to 4 is to 2 raised to 4. That is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Therefore, we can take it as 1 raised to 4 is to 2 raised to 4 as the ratio of principal to amount after 20 years. That is equal to 1 is to 16. As we know, the principal will remains constant throughout the cases. Therefore, 1 ratio is equal to 12,000. Therefore, 16 ratio is equal to 16 into 12,000. So you can either mug up the multiplication table up to 20, that is very essential for SSC examination, or you can do the multiplication of last digits, that is 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So the last 3 digits or 4 digits of your answer must be 2000. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. That is 2000. Your answer should end with 2000. There is only one option that is ending with 2000. That is option D. So your answer is equal to 1,92,000. Or you can simply multiply 16 into 12. That is 192. And you can put 3 zeros. That is 192,000 or 1,92,000. Again, your case is very simple because of this shortcut. Then we can go to the next problem. Here the question is, a sum of 8,000 deposited at compound interest becomes double after 5 years. After 20 years, it will become what? Again, we can apply the shortcut method. That is, principal is to amount after 5 years is equal to 1 is to 2, because principal becomes double in 5 years. So 1 is to 2 is the ratio principal is to amount in 5 years. So our question is, after 20 years, what will be the amount? That is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Therefore, ratio of principal is to amount after 20 years is equal to 1 raised to 4 is to 2 raised to 4. That is 1 is to 16. We know the value of principal will remains constant. We know the value of principal as 8,000. That is 1 ratio is equal to 8,000. Therefore, 16 ratio is equal to 16 into 8,000. Therefore, amount is equal to 16 ratio. That is 16 into 8,000. Here also you can either multiply 16 into 8 and then put 3 zeros. Or you can do the multiplication of last digits. That is 16 into 8. That is 6 into 8 is equal to 48. So your answer should end with 8,000. There is only one option that is ending with 8,000, that is option D. Or you can write 16 into 8 is equal to 128. Your answer is equal to 1,28,000. So using this shortcut method, you can directly do the problem even with your mind calculations. Now you have a challenge. It is your turn. Try to solve this problem and find out the answer. Thank you for watching the video.